I personally think that using the 3D printing method is more effective because a lot of times when you're making a prototype, you need to test fit it on the vehicle. And to test fit on the vehicle, not only do you need the exact shape, but you need the correct thickness that it should be. So, for example, here is a full-size lip spoiler that was printed, and you can see the thickness here is the correct thickness that I need to test fit exactly from my model. I feel like this would be a little bit more difficult to do CNC milling, because you'd have a thick piece of foam behind this if you milled the front surface, or if you milled the negative, you'd have a block and you'd have to cast your part. So it's doable, but you'd have to multi-step to be able to test fit, whereas I can simply make a small scale and a large scale all at the same method of 3D printing, which I think is pretty cool. These are made in 2 halves. They join together the exact same way. This is a 30% size, and that's the full size. And that one is going to be test fitted fairly soon.